It's Jackie! And today we start the Cult series, where we go through all the cult palettes, do a little look if you're wondering what is on my eyes. It is in the Cult Mania. This is the first palette we break into in the Cult series, so if you want to see how I got this look, you will have to watch this video. If you like the look, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have not yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've decided, I have made the executive decision. It's hilarious that I say that. Like this is a business. It's really a hobby. Anyways, I've decided to start the Cult Mania, or the Cult series. And I've decided to start with Cult Mania because if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the newest one. I tried to look it up, but their website is not up right now. They are working their magic and they will be back soon, they say. So I don't know what they have in store for us, but it'll be interesting, I'm sure. So yeah, so hopefully you guys have this, and if not, I don't know if you can get a hold of Bad Habit right now while they're down. I'm not sure because I got it off of Shop Hush, which we know is no longer up. I don't know what's going on, so hopefully you have this and you can follow along. If not, maybe it can be found on Amazon or eBay or somewhere. I'm not sure. But anywho's, I've decided since they're down and working on some new stuff that I'll get this stuff. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Out of the way. So that was such a long intro. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It is beautiful. These four over here are baked and the rest are pressed. So yeah, we're gonna play with this today. I don't know what we're gonna do, but this Insomnia color matches my shirt. So we'll probably do something with that. I'm gonna use this volatile. I'm going to use the volatile shade, and we're going to try to lightly sweep that in to the crease. I've already put my Bad Habit primer on, so let's do this. Oh boy, I'm very nervous. Very nervous. Okay, it is very pigmented. I barely put anything on this brush. And bam, there it is, right there. So yes, we are going to definitely blend well. A beautiful brown. It is blending so well. It's not patchy or anything. So hallelujah. Yay for that. I like it. Okay, cool. That worked well, didn't it? Alright, I think, I have no idea what I'm doing. I really want to try this Hysteria color. But at the same time, I'm like, is that really going to match anything? Oh, very nervous. Alright, I'm going to go into... Here we go, guys. I'm going to go into Hysteria, which is a... Hold on. Hysteria. It is a duo. I want to say like duochrome glitter type of. You can't tell. The camera does not do it justice. It shifts to like a brownish red. It is so cool. Oh, let me see if I can swatch it on my hand. Oh boy. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. See it? How it shifts? Yes, that's going on my eyes, and it's going on my eyes right now. Okay. Let's do this. See, I took a shower and I didn't bother drying my hair. I have... My son gets out super early today. Oh, there's gonna be glitter everywhere. So, yeah, I have like 3 hours until I have to go get him. So, I thought to myself, just take a shower, film, you can worry about your hair later. So here we go, Hysteria on the lid. I'm nervous. Oh my. I bet a glitter glue would probably be helpful. Although it is going on with your finger, which is what it tells you to put it on with. Oh, wow. Kind of looking more like a topper, but I don't know. I really like it. Wow, pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have glitter all over my face. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like that. Holy cow, guys. Can you see that? I don't know if you see the shift in it. Yes! Hallelujah. I'm so excited. This color is so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna have a ton of fallout. This is why I did this first. I knew I would get fallout with this palette. Oh, a lot of fallout though. Like high. Is that gonna end up all over my face all day? I don't know. I don't know. But man, that is pretty. Oh man, that is so cool. So pretty. I like that. Okay, let's try to get this out of... so pretty. Alright, I'm going to pop a little of this Insomnia that matches my shirt. Just to kind of tie this all together to what I'm wearing today. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty crease brush. And yeah, we're going to pop that in the outer corner. And a little tiny itty bitty into the crease. So I don't even think I need another like color to pop in the middle of those two. I think it's good. I like it the way it is, to be honest with you. I really do. Let's get this crease transition shade brush and try to... Yeah, that's not doing a dang thing. No. That glitter's there, and it ain't going anywhere. I'm alright with it, though. I'm okay with that. I really am loving this look right now. I love it! Hallelujah. Okay. Wow, we used 3 shadows in there. I feel like that's kind of... Put that one color. You know I had to use that color. That is so cool. Okay, so, wow, that was a quick one, wasn't it? But it looks so good. All right. Pop on some liner. You know, the E.L.F. There we go, some liner. Now I'm going to pop on lashes, finish my face. We'll be back to do the bottom lash line. So, stay tuned. Okay, so man, there is glitter like all over. For the bottom lash, I'm going to take this little bitty lip brush and we're going to go into that Insomnia color right there, and we are going to dust that along the bottom lash line. Then we're going to take this crease brush that we used with that brown we're just gonna soften that a little bit. Legit like glitter everywhere. So we're gonna leave that like that. We're gonna pop on some, oh, Jackie, put your lash glue away for the love of God. All right, some Lash Paradise on the bottom. And I have run out of Q-tips in here. That is a stinker. Let me try to use, oh, this is gonna be Kleenex. I'm gonna go with the Brow Lift pencil and the waterline because I like how the lightness of it looks. Don't want it too dark. Yay! Okay. Now a lip. I think I'm just gonna pop on like a nude. I think I'm just gonna throw some of this Bear It All on my finger and just kind of smudge it into my lips. Just some smudged out lipstick, apply with a finger. I like it. Oh yeah. That, my friends, is this video. I don't know about you, but I love that color on my lids, guys. It is just wow. I really like that. I didn't think, like, I thought it was cool when I saw it, but like I didn't think it was going to be as cool putting it on, you know? But man, no, I really like that. I do. And it goes really well with that Insomnia color, which matches my shirt so I don't look like a hot mess today. Yes, I love it. Okay. So this is today's look minus dry hair, which I will do if I have time before I go get my kid. Let's pop on some of this Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow by Catrice. And yes. Need to get me one of those handy fans that gurus have. Allie Glines, I believe that's how you pronounce her name. She has one of those. She got it from Amazon. I have to look into one of them because, yeah, that would be handy. Hence the handy fan. Okay, so that is it for this video. This is the beginning of the cult series. I think we started it off rather well, don't you? And that was Cult Mania. Yes, 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 yes. Turn down this light a little. You really see the colors. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was fun. So yeah, we will be moving on. I don't know, maybe we'll just go in order of the stack, I suppose. Mythos will be next. Mythos. Take a little peek inside the Mythos. Ooh, yeah. Likey. Beautiful. Okay, so that will be next. And I think this is going to be a Saturday series, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Every Saturday there'll be a cult palette until we get through them. Sound good? Sound good to you? Sounds good to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. You know you wanna. And hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And there is a link in my description box for my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie. Make sure you go like that. Also, the gram, my Instagram is also down there, so make sure you check out my Instagram. And there's also a Snapchat, and if you want to wander over to my son's page, he just started his YouTube channel during spring break, so if you want to check that out, his link will always be the first link in the description box. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back for more, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!